for the pre-market. And live on TikTok. All right. All right, that GIGM stock. Yeah, not the best pattern, but there it is. Novavax not really holding in the pre-market the way we like to see it holding, is to kind of stay above VWAP. In the pre-market, no. Well, right now, nothing's really like happening right now. So you're all right. We will keep OCGN on watch. At the moment, there may not be a lot more. That's 30% is gig M, and then now we're entering into the teens. CFRX. If we don't need to watch something, I won't have it on screen. CFRX with 4.3 million shares traded though, so that seems pretty okay. We'll take a look at that. We are at the C point in our ABCD on GME, so that's good because we bought right down near the B point. SEEL. Okay, let me take a look at that. Oh no, this CPRX doesn't look very good. Let me see. Oh no, CFRX, forget that. Good morning, Ryan Cohen tweeted. Okay. People on TikTok, click the link in my bio. Good morning, Paul. AZFL. Oh, that's way too cheap. TRCH. All right, that's loading up. TRCH. MetX. And, oh yeah, that looks pretty good. And FRSX. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, the market's probably going to go down. Rates are going up. Energy's going sideways. There's like a 75% chance market goes down, 25% chance market goes up. And then somewhere in there between the two, there's a chance it goes sideways. But it's about a 75-25 right now because of that oil. FRSX. Well, yesterday was tricky, Emmett. So tricky days, tricky sideways days are just probably the worst. I'll take any direction. Any direction is good. Sideways days are the most difficult days to find opportunities. Usually breakouts lead to fake outs. that kind of thing. So fingers crossed on that. Yes. FRSX just started popping. If you want to try to get in at this base 8.2 right now in pre-market, possibly because it just started popping, it's going to run even more from here. FRSX. I mean, it has options, so if you want to wait for the open and use options, that might be an interesting play. Oh, I just got a nice smell of bacon cooking in the kitchen. Oh, yes. I'm going to need some coffee. That's what I'm going to need. I'm like, what am I missing this morning? All right, there goes GME moving towards your halfway between C and A level. So halfway between C and A is like 276. So at 276, take a 25% off of yesterday's GME position for the ABCD play. Morning, Brandon. Formerly Royales. We're in a long-term until June hold on Mara, SOS, Riot, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So I'm not too concerned about if SOS will pop on Monday because of the earnings report, but I'm sure it will. It's not going to be a bad earnings report, I don't think. But I don't need to guess. We're in it until June. For the play to 100,000 Bitcoin. Bitcoin 100,000. Yeah, Kelly. But with your back winnings. Oh, that's a good idea. Bank of America winnings. Yeah. Sounds good to me. And then actually, our moderator Jake says that probably the earnings report won't benefit SOS and increase the share price. So there you go. You heard it from the boss. Let's go Bitcoin. Yeah. So that's our play for the next until June. We expect it to pop before then, even possibly in April, but we're picking up June options. Yeah. I mean, the question is not maybe, Kelly. It's just that, how many can you afford? So, maybe you want to wait to see if it drops even further, or do you want to just pick up another one here, et cetera, et cetera. That's sort of up to you and your allocation. Because I know that the Riot option, I think, was like $2,500 for the June. Not too friendly of a price. Well, ANIX is picking up in volume, so I'm going to pop that over here. FSRX looks like it's crapping out. I mean, you pretty much probably see it across the entire broad market, but it will lift. I mean, there's the darling stocks like Apple, because you have to imagine that that's probably predominantly going to not smart money. So you're going to see it in all the kind of like all the old hot sectors, because smart people have already adapted and changed, but the not so smart won't. So then the smart people probably are going to start planting some seeds, knowing that retail traders are going to pump those up. So it's a bit of a chess game. I'll put my pawn here because I know you're going to go there. So, you know what I mean? I don't know what it was, Joanna, on SOS and Mara, but this is a pretty good dip right now on Riot, Mara, and SOS. So if it goes lower, even better, but you can average cost down here. But it was probably around here. So that's why for me, I probably even wait for lower, because I want to average down, not average same. All right, so what's going to be the big runner? We got 20 minutes to the open. It looks like financials are probably up the strongest this morning, and industrials. Energy is really actually kind of sideways, and so that may cause the market to be a little bit softer today. It may not drop too much, but yeah, definitely tech is way down. Yeah, that may be the case, Kelly. I hope so. I paid $2,500 for the last one. That would be all right by me. Interest rates are really rising rapidly right now. I'm surprised the market isn't reacting hard off that, although I do see Tesla definitely seems to be. So who's in the GME ABCD that we got at the close of market yesterday? Oh. No, Mike, I don't, because it's more of a long-term hold run. It's really a medium-term play, I would call it. And it's going to be based on stimulus checks being issued. And then those people, 1% of people put their money into crypto. And so that's going to boost the market about 4 to 16 billion in my estimate, and easily pop Bitcoin to 100K easily. So that's why we're holding till June. That's cool. Well, that's the situation. So yeah, you can figure that out for your own portfolio and allocation. Looks like Mara is about to break a new low on the day, so I would hold off on touching Mara. Looks like Tesla is about to do the same. So maybe puts on Tesla today. Tesla's not holding up well. We have to open in 17 minutes. Oh, that was probably just a blip on your trading system. Don't worry about it, Dublin. Yeah, don't worry about it. That's just a blip on your trading system. You got to learn to sort of like ignore those little things. There's nothing, if you can't do anything about it, then don't let it even concern you, you know. But it was probably a blip. Emmett, I don't know. What's up with CPNG in your opinion? Like, I don't know much about that one. Check Vale. All right. Jonathan Garcia from the YouTube says check Vale. Nothing going on there too much, Jonathan. I mean, maybe for a swing trade, but right now we're trying to look for the momentum openers, and it's not doing good today. Vale. What seems to be holding is this Annex and NLSP. Make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our Discord. Am I bearish on SPY today? Bearish sideways. Bearish sideways. All right, we got 14 minutes to the open. We're still hanging on to some GME shares from yesterday's ABCD pattern. First profit target, 276, 25% out. I don't know. The recommendations for today are probably industrials. How is GE doing? Let me see. Industrials and financials. GE still hanging out where it was yesterday a bit. 12.25. Man, I think that's a really good buy at the bottom edge of the channel, man. GE, I would be in GE around here, I think, for long. Let me see if I can get a better read on it on the daily chart here. 12.25. Yeah, I mean, the last time GE hit the 50 moving average, it really took off from there. Could be worth it. Could be worth it. Let's see if it becomes a swing trade today. GE. Swing trade for like 2 months, if not a good value buy for long term in your portfolio. Oh, good, Daryl. There you go. Yes. And Kelly knows those, man. Boy, Kelly knows the money is, and just listening to what Evan says is the best point to buy. And then we don't, and you get in, kick ass, and then we're like, oh man, thanks for alerting us. You're like, oh yeah, I've been in. Yeah, good deal. I think that I don't know what the deltas are like on the options. So let me see. I'll probably pick up a leap if I can afford it. Let's see. $400. $400. That's it? Are you gotta be shitting me. Is that it? I gotta be looking at the wrong price here. What? It's only $400 to get GE until January 2023 option. That's just insane. Of course I'm going to pick that up. Oh my God. That's just like free money. That's just obvious long-term play. 10, the 10 strike. 10 strike January 2023. $400 approximately. Like, wow. Just put that on everyone's radar this morning. I'll put that on as an alert. January 20, 2023. 10 call. Yeah, that's the first alert. 9 minutes to the market open. And GME is pushing up. Should be starting to scare shorts a little bit. Well, ASMR eating here. The 10 strike, Johnny. $100,000 by June. Probably April. Somebody needs to have the TikTok name Gamecock. I think that's perfect, right? Somebody needs to change their TikTok name to Gamecock. um, can everyone uh, say something to Chris on his question right there? Who knows about how we do our options? Like, give him a little roast for not paying attention over the last 2 months. Christopher, haven't you been following me like nearly every day? Got a couple people asking about Costco. What's up with Costco? It's not on my radar. There's nothing going on in Costco. Maybe you're talking about swing trade. Not really focusing on swing trades this morning, but maybe this afternoon we will. Make sure you join our Discord. Our play for Mara, Riot, SOS, Bitcoin, and Ethereum is till June. So that's the answer to your question. Why didn't you say buy? You only gave two options: hold or sell Mara and Riot. Okay, Chris. For the next month? Oh, probably good, probably good, Kelly. All right, 4 minutes to the open. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you click the link in the Discord. Yeah, well, hold them because you got them, yeah. But we're recommending to buy more here. We're bullish on crypto through June. So that means we buy the dips. Well, Paul, I don't know if we'll have a play on GME today. We'll see. It's looking like, it could do something, but it might not be like a big deal with GME today. But we're watching carefully NLSP. That's looking pretty good. And ANIX and FRSX. So we're looking for those breakouts. Riot buy till June. Adam, what happened? Did CCI fee drop this morning, man? What happened? Oh, you lucky bastard. Yeah. Be careful, man. That could signify that that was the top 27, and it poked through a little bit, but that's it. Maybe that's the top. So maybe now you're good. Next time, leave yourself lots of money to like average down and stuff like that when it goes up. or to buy contrary positions, and just, I don't know, got to be able to manage, keep yourself, take smaller position sizes. So that way you can use your money strategically on your positions. All right, 2 minutes to the market open. Everyone who's following me on